Hello guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa sa mountain and maghunting kami. So hopefully makakita kami ng bobcat today. Ayan yung aming dog, Mabel. Wanna say hi? Hi Mabel. That's our dog. Matanda na kasi siya. She's 12 years old. So that's why isinakay namin siya dyan sa likod. Kasi nahihirapan na siyang maglakad, especially pag malayo. Anyway, good luck to us. Hopefully we can get something today. Sana may makuha kami ngayon. It's really hard to talk when it's cold and your mouth is kind of like freezing. But thanks God there's not it's not snowing today.
We'll just go kind of slow for a little bit. I want it to kind of warm up.
Okay,
This sidling, you have to kind of lean in so you don't fall out.
oh God.
Don't want you to fall out.
Oh God. Yan, so dito na kami sa guys. Layo-layo na to. Pero wala pa kaming nakita na bobcat tracks. So hopefully meron kaming makita. It's really hard to talk. God. It's frozen. Oh, my nose is getting red again. Oh God. No. The snow is getting so deep on this side. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's okay. Don't worry. Oh my God.
I told you.
Being in the woods, you get snow all over. And since there is a tree in the road, we'll try to go around and I get out because that's pretty steep. There's our dog. Hopefully. Ayan. So I think, it's pretty near into that barbed wire. Oh my gosh. Hopefully my husband can get. That's really tight. Oh my goodness. So dito na ako dadaan guys. Ayan.
That was not very easy.
Oh my God, good thing I did not ride. Allah! The tires is leaking! Oh, hello. You can't get through. Look at how deep is the snow, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh God. Oh my God.
What do you think?
You want me to get out? I'll just get out. Wait. Poor husband. That is really important to have a chain on your tire because look at it. It's just spinning and spinning. You can't get through. Look how the tire dig in. This is taking so slow. Oh my goodness. There. Finally, oh my God, that was a rough spot. My husband leave me alone. There you go. See, my God, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. There he is. So now I'm just walking here in the truck. Oh my God, I think my husband forgot that I'm here, that he left me. Oh my goodness. I think he did. He did forget me. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. I think he's coming back. It's getting worse. It's getting worse, guys. So I think he's coming back. Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna show you how deep is the snow. I'm gonna walk into that snow where we almost get stuck. So just go back because we cannot make it. So here it is, guys. You can see how deep is this. Really hard. So that's why. Oh my goodness. Look.
Yeah, it's up to your knees.
Wait.
Make a snow angel.
Here in the guy. Wait. Here. I'll make a snow angel.
Okay, now get up.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Get up and we'll see your angel. Come here. Come here. Oh, there it is.
That is so
There it is. The angel has wings.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it in the shade in the camera, but
That is an angel. So
yeah.
oh my God. I think below in the snow is frozen.
Yeah, it is.
It's frozen.
Swimming in the snow.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
Lots of snow.
So anyway, we go back because the snow is getting so deep and we're afraid that we get stuck. Have a winch to pull ourselves. So it's pretty good to be safe than sorry. We will try next time to be more prepared because we did not expect it. We will go this farther than what we expected. You know, if you notice, guys, it's hard for me to talk because my chin is frozen. It's hard to move. That's why my pronunciation is not really that good. Sorry for that, but we did not get above cut this time. Hopefully next time we'll try it again. Try and try until we get one. So we're going home now and it's almost 4 o'clock. So that's it for today and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our outdoors activity. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.